Today, we'll explore advanced merge patterns, complex join operations, sophisticated GroupBy techniques, and performance optimization in Pandas. These skills are crucial for mastering data manipulation in complex analytical workflows. Advanced merge patterns involve using indicator columns to track data origins, employing validation strategies to ensure data integrity, and managing merge keys with precision. These techniques enhance data manipulation, allowing for more accurate and reliable analytical workflows, crucial for maintaining data quality in complex operations. Understanding core merge types is essential for data integrity and performance. The indicator parameter is vital for data quality checks, showing row origins and transforming debugging into precision. In production, merges reveal data quality issues, and advanced users validate assumptions, handle duplicates, and document behavior for maintainability. The indicator column in a merge operation acts as a detective, revealing the origin of each row. For instance, products 103, 104 appear only in sales, indicating potential inventory issues, while 105, 106 are only in inventory, suggesting unsold stock. This transparency is crucial for auditing data quality and ensuring accurate analysis. The validate parameter in Pandas ensures merge assumptions are met, crucial for data integrity. Use 1.1 for unique key mappings, 1-many for lookup tables, and many cautiously, as it may indicate design flaws. This proactive validation prevents silent data quality issues, making it indispensable in production environments. Overlapping columns and data frames necessitate strategic handling. Default suffixes like AX and Y are useful for exploration but lack clarity in production. Opt for custom suffixes that indicate data origin, such as 2023 and 2024. Alternatively, pre-select columns to avoid conflicts when overlapping names don't add value. Multi-key merges allow joining data on multiple columns simultaneously, ensuring all specified keys match. This approach is crucial for capturing complex relationships in time series data, regional pricing, and multidimensional hierarchies. By requiring all keys to align, it provides precise control over the matching logic, enhancing data integrity and analytical accuracy. In time series data, exact timestamp matches are uncommon. Using merge ASOF with direction backward, we align trades with the most recent market price before the trade time. This method is crucial for scenarios like financial trades, where temporal proximity is more important than exact alignment, ensuring accurate data integration. Merge ASOF offers 3 direction options. Backward matches the most recent past value, ideal for finding the last known price before a trade. Forward matches the next future value, useful for event-triggered lookups. Nearest matches the closest value, minimizing temporal distance. The tolerance parameter ensures matches fall within acceptable time windows, preventing spurious joins. GroupBy operations follow the split-apply-combine paradigm. Split partitions data into groups by key values. Apply executes operations on each group independently. Combine reassembles results into a cohesive structure. This model distinguishes aggregation, which summarizes groups, from transformation, preserving group shape, and filtration, selecting entire groups, each serving unique analytical purposes. Named aggregation in Pandas allows for clear, precise transformations by explicitly naming each operation. For instance, aggregating sales data by region can yield total revenue, average revenue, maximum quantity, and unique product count. This approach enhances code readability and maintainability, making it ideal for complex analyses with multiple derived metrics. Custom aggregation functions allow for domain-specific calculations, such as revenue-weighted averages and 90th percentiles. By defining functions like weighted avga and percentile 90 das, we can perform complex operations on grouped data. This flexibility enables tailored analyses, accommodating unique business rules and multi-column logic, enhancing the power of data insights. Transform operations maintain group structure by broadcasting calculations back to individual rows. Calculate deviations from group means, normalize scores within regions, or fill missing values with group medians. This approach preserves row-level detail, enabling advanced feature engineering without collapsing group data. Filtering by aggregate conditions allows us to maintain group integrity by including or excluding entire groups based on criteria like total revenue or group size. This ensures statistical validity by removing groups with insufficient samples, preventing analytical errors. The predicate function evaluates each group, returning a Boolean to decide inclusion. Multi-level GroupBy allows hierarchical aggregation by grouping data across multiple columns, creating a multi-index. For instance, grouping by year and quarter sums revenue, enabling drill-down analysis. This structure supports flexible reshaping with unstack operations, ideal for time-based hierarchies and geographic rollups, enhancing analytical depth and clarity. Grouper enables advanced time-based grouping using frequency aliases like D, W, M, Q, and Y. By setting the label parameter, you control bin labels, crucial for accurate time series reporting. Grouping by week or month, you can sum, average, or calculate standard deviation, providing a comprehensive view of sales trends over time. Apply is the Swiss Army knife of GroupBy, offering unparalleled flexibility. It processes each group as a complete data frame, allowing for complex analyses like total sales, average price, and top product identification. Despite its slower performance, Apply is invaluable for intricate group-level insights, such as revenue concentration and unique customer counts, beyond standard aggregations. Converting string columns to categorical types can reduce memory usage by up to 70% and enhance GroupBy speed by 5 times. This is crucial for datasets with over 100 million rows. Categorical data types store unique values once, using integer codes internally, optimizing memory and accelerating operations for columns with low cardinality. Efficient merges require strategic column selection. By pre-selecting only necessary columns, we minimize memory usage, avoiding unnecessary data bloat. This approach is crucial for large datasets, preventing costly disk spilling operations. Always prune data frames before merging to ensure optimal memory performance, especially when handling extensive data structures. Handling duplicate keys in merges is crucial to prevent Cartesian product issues. Detect duplicates using data frame methods. Remove duplicates explicitly, aggregate them, or validate merge cardinality to ensure data integrity. Choose strategies based on domain logic to maintain efficient and accurate data processing. Utilize window functions to compute group-aware metrics without altering row counts. Calculate running totals, rank revenues, and assess percent changes within groups. Shift values for lag analysis, enabling comparisons like sales versus last month. These techniques are crucial for time series analysis, financial reporting, and trend analysis, preserving temporal order and facilitating detailed insights. In a complex multi-step analysis, start by cleaning and validating sales data, ensuring no duplicates and categorizing regions. Merge this with product metadata for enriched insights. Calculate profit, then aggregate by region and category to derive total profit, average transaction, and transaction count. Finally, filter to significant categories, ensuring robust analytical focus. Validate data early using indicator columns and the validate parameter to catch issues during merges. Opt for explicit code with named aggregations and custom suffixes for clarity. Be memory aware by pre-selecting columns and using categorical types. Ensure group integrity by choosing the right operation for your analysis. Profile operations for performance gains. Merge explosion occurs when duplicate keys lead to exponential row growth. Audit for duplicates, use the validate parameter, and check result shape. Ambiguous column names with default -x, y suffixes obscure data provenance. Use custom suffixes or pre-select columns. Incorrect aggregation logic, like using mean instead of weighted average, requires custom functions. Reset index after GroupBy to avoid hard-to-use multi-index. Apply these techniques to real datasets, revealing their power in complex merges and GroupBys. Profile your code using %timeit and memory profilers to find bottlenecks, combining efficiency with Pandas' specific optimizations. Dive into Pandas' documentation for insights on merge algorithms and GroupBy internals, enhancing your ability to handle production-scale data manipulation confidently.